guess it is recording.
He
Do you see that?
Yeah. Well, what's he eating?
Excuse me, sir. Which way to the river? All right, you two tubes, what are you up to?
Tubing.
Taking a break from Shamma. We've been working really hard the last couple months, and it's been a lot of work and not a lot of play. So we're here at the Consumnes River, and we're gonna do a little river floating and put our Shamma Mountain Goats in the grip top to the test and see how they work in the water.
I forgot mine. I brought leather.
He's wearing leather, which is probably gonna suck for him, but it'll still be good.
You guys sound really confident. Super.
When you're like in the water,
the leather?
The leather's okay. It's when it's out and it gets slimy.
It's true, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
How's the grip top in the water?
Grip top's awesome.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you're not really worried about this?
No.
Okay. So guys, what's the game plan today? How far are you going?
About a mile and a half, I think.
Okay.
We don't really have a game plan. We're just gonna send it down this river.
Okay.
Yeah.
Full send?
We don't really know what's over there.
No, we don't really know where we're gonna
We already
run
saw
into, or
a couple little bit sketchy things.
yeah. We might have to dip out of the river a couple of times and walk down the river banks just to get by, but we'll see.
Okay.
Nice, I'm getting my thighs tan.
Yeah.
The inner thighs have been quite white. Yeah, maybe it's one we can do.
Maybe she's just not brave enough. Full send, TK, full send.
Oh my gosh. I don't like that I can't see.
I know.
I know. Oh shoot, almost ate it too.
Oh man.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's see what we're working with here. Look how awesome this thing is. That thing would destroy you. This is so cool in here. Look at that.
What's up, TJ? Spider.
It's like he's being birthed. Anti-birth.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Nice, Willy. Willy, what are you guys doing right now?
Testing. To see what would have happened had we gone down it. Yep.
Yeah. There it goes.
Yeah.
Get it, TK, get it.
Well, let's go.
No full send on that water ball. On everything else.
Full send.
Full send.
Can we get Christian to animate TK in the tube as it went down?
I think we should. Fellowship of the Tubes. Mm-hmm. I can just hold on to this part.
I kind of saw that coming.
Of course. Why would I be sitting up? What other reason did I have?
That's all it is. Just pretend to be.
Well, river float. Oh, there's gold!
Success.
And rocks!
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Going that way? Nice.
Thanks, man.
Way to be there for him, TK.
All right.
Did you really just do that?
Yes. I need redemption.
Here, I'm gonna throw one and video myself. Look at that go. Okay, let's see it, Willie.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Okay.
Gonna get the moss off.
That was really good. All right, TK. Willie just threw a bomb on the water. Not bad.
I missed your baseball. Give me the camera. It's your turn.
Okay. I don't think I'll
Good.
beat you.
All right.
This is a weird one. I'll give it a try.
Let's see it. Nope. Not the one.
Okay, we're gonna take all this off.
They're longer distance. It's pretty good.
Went a long way. Those were good skips too.
Throw one of these big ones, Josh.
Nice.
Yeah.
Let's see if you can do this. Like the spin was good. Let's see how good this thing is.
It's a little thick though.
Thing's perfect.
It's a little thick, no?
But let's see what you do.
I'll
with
try.
it.
I'm not very
There's
good.
no pressure. No pressure.
I'm not very good at rock skipping.
Nice. Let's see if I can throw it.
Maybe discus
Yeah.
style would be better. Yeah, like that. Oh, nicely done, Josh. How was that, like 3?
We'll have to go to the footage. One mighty skip.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Put it next to your head.
Not even pin.
And this is not gonna go. You're just gonna. Okay, this is important. Everyone watch.
Skip it or just throw it?
Skip it.
Oh no, skipping. He's gonna skip it.
It didn't. Hold on. It needs to hit the camera.
Okay. That was right in my eyes. All right, the river's calling.
All right.
Okay, what are we dealing with right here?
I hear the water raging right now.
Willie, how confident are you we're gonna make it?
Well, the local said 3 to 4 feet.
Oh, 3 to 4 feet? Oh, this is a beast. That's sketchy. Oh, crazy. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna make it over that.
Cool little swimming area though.
Yeah, super cool.
I'm gonna get down this way.
Yeah, we gotta go. What? This thing's pretty cool.
Yeah, underwater duck.
I didn't do a very good job of recording you. Sorry, man. Why are we walking? Aren't we supposed to be on the river right now? Aren't we on a
We should be on the river right now, but you guys suck at tubing apparently because both of your tubes popped. Mine was the only one that didn't. And so now we had to get our tube repaired and we're gonna finish what we started. So getting back on the river.
We will prevail.
We will prevail. Continue sending it.
Full send.
Yes.
Full send, Willy.
Can't even utter the words.
TK, you see the rope string there?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be a kook?
Not gonna be a cool.
Or are you gonna full send this thing?
Yeah, full from there.
Full send. Well, just going straight the first time. What are you guys doing?
I'm trying to swim upstream, you know, like the salmon do it. All the fish can do it. So I think we can do it.
For life.
We are wearing our Shammas though, so it's gonna be,
Easier than normal?
of course, yeah. Because that's Shammas, you can do anything in Shammas.
Yeah, absolutely.
They make everything easy. Oh, there's one right there. Did you kick it? No. I like punched it. Oh.
Oh my god, TK just... You okay? Like trying to get into your tube. Oh. And there. Oh. No! All right, the gorge, we made it. Awesome. Pound it, TK.
I recall jumping in this morning thinking it was real cold.
Yeah, it's not. All right, guys, any concluding thoughts? Tell us about your trip, what you learned, what you didn't learn. My favorite moment was when TK tried to cruise down on the orange tube here in this last little rapids and completely did a backflip in the rapid. And if he didn't pop up in a couple seconds, I think I was gonna have to go over there and like try and fish him out.
Yeah, should have dropped my
And I would have had Willy do mouth to mouth. I don't think I would have done it.
Wouldn't have minded that.
I would have like cupped my hands like this to like create a little bit of separation.
Was it fun, this trip?
This is honestly my favorite thing to do as far as like vacationing. Is just like a river, a lake, something just floating around. And this is even better because you got a little current, there's something to do. Water feels great, you like don't want to get out. I didn't want to get out.
Best rapid?
This one's pretty good. I still like the one.
Near Bob's Beach, near the cabin.
Yeah, it's like a little chute. It's really narrow and just all the water is funneled into one straight long path. It's cool.
How were your Shammas? Helpful? A nuisance?
Shammas are great.
My leather Shammas were surprisingly good in the water.
Yeah. Though, do we recommend them?
No.
All right, I guess that's it for an everyday adventure. Team Shamma, Willy and TK. Thanks guys for letting us hang out with you.
Happy rafting.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more weekly content. And make sure to click the bell so that you'll be notified every time we post something new.